Now we move towards demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. There were certain demerits found to be Mendeleev's periodic table, which are as follows. First, the whole number of atomic mass of elements cobalt and nickel is the same. Therefore, there was an ambiguity regarding their sequence in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Second demerit is that at the time of put forth of Mendeleev's periodic table, isotopes were not discovered. But later on, means put forth of Mendeleev's periodic table, isotopes were discovered. You know that isotopes have similar chemical properties and different atomic masses. Being similar chemical properties, they should have to placed in same position in the Mendeleev's periodic table. And being different atomic masses, they should have to place in different position in the periodic table. So Mendeleev could not place isotopes in his periodic table. When elements are arranged in an increasing order of their atomic masses, but the rise in atomic mass does not appear to be uniform, and therefore it was not possible to predict how many elements were discovered between these two heavy elements. Now demerits regarding position of hydrogen. Mendeleev could not give a fixed position to hydrogen in his periodic table. Being hydrogen shows similarity with halogens as well as alkali metals. How hydrogen shows similarity with halogens? For example, the molecular formula of hydrogen is S2 and the molecular formula of halogens such as fluorine and chlorine are F2 and Cl2 respectively. In this way, hydrogen shows similarity with halogens. Hydrogen also shows similarity with alkali metals regarding formation of compounds. There is a great similarity in the compounds of alkali metals as well as compounds of hydrogens. The compounds of hydrogen are HCl, hydrogen chloride, S2O, hydrogen oxide or water, S2S, hydrogen sulfide, and the compounds of alkali metals such as NaCl, sodium chloride, Na2O, sodium oxide, and Na2S, sodium chloride. So there is a great similarity in the compounds of alkali metals as well as halogens, and that's why Mendeleev could not able to give fixed position to hydrogen in his periodic table. These are the some demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table.